Also, I forgot to say it at the beginning of this video, so I'm editing this in. Merry Christmas, if you celebrate that. So, onwards to the video. Welcome, guys. So I am no longer the owner of the Mini. It is now under my parents' control what happens to the Mini. Let me go and explain what I'm in now. I'm in a 2016 V6 Mustang. It's not a V8, but it's not a V8 for a good reason. Number one, I don't like the sound of a V8 as a daily driver vehicle. V8 for a show vehicle, cool. For drag strip, cool. But daily driving wise, I like the sound of a V6 more. I don't know why, I just do. So I'm not sure why. And number two, it saves on gas. So the Mini needs a new strut, as well as one of the stereos, I believe in it, is going out. So I made my way over to the local Ford dealership here and looked at a Mustang, and was just looking, and the guy let me test drive a 4-cylinder turboed Mustang. I said, that's nice and all, thanks, but do you guys have any V6s? Because I knew Mustangs had V6s and V8s. And he said they don't make them anymore. I said, they don't make V6 Mustangs anymore? And he said, no, last year they made them was 2017. So I got online, looked around, and lo and behold, I managed to find a 2016 V6 Shadow Black window tint Mustang. Drove about 45 minutes to see it, then test drove it a little bit, told the guy I was interested in it, went back and showed it to my parents, and then went back and we finalized the paperwork a day later. And now I own 2016 V6 Mustang. Overall, it's very good, very enjoyable. It has a little bit more horsepower, obviously, than the Mini, but that's not the main important thing. For me, the main important thing is comfort. If a car does not have comfort, I could really care less, what horsepower it has as a daily driver, to be honest. So that's the number one thing that comes to me is comfort. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll let you guys know more information as stuff updates, and I'll see you guys next time.